Tired of a one-size-fits-all budget that doesn't actually fit your life? Maybe you're using a budgeting app like Rocket Money, but you find yourself constantly recategorizing transactions and thinking, I really wish there was a category for impulsive coffee purchases or dog's emergency vet fund. You're not alone. While Rocket Money is a powerful tool for tracking your finances, its default categories aren't perfect for everyone. The key to making it work for you is customization. And the good news is, with a Rocket Money Premium membership, you can do exactly that. So today, we're going to dive into how you can create and customize your budget categories in Rocket Money to perfectly match your spending habits and financial goals. The first step is to navigate to the settings. You'll see a gear icon in the top left corner of the dashboard. From there, you'll want to select Categories and Rules. Once you're in, you'll see all of the app's default categories. To add a new one, simply tap on New Category. Now you can get creative. Give your new category a name, choose an icon and a color, and decide if it's an expense or an income category. This is where you can add that impulsive coffee purchases category or even tattoo savings. Once you've got it all set up, just hit Save. Now, let's talk about the magic of custom rules. When you categorize a transaction in Rocket Money, you have the option to create a rule. This means that every future transaction from that same vendor will automatically be assigned to your custom category. So that monthly coffee shop run will now consistently show up under your impulsive coffee purchases budget without you having to lift a finger. This saves you time and ensures your budget stays accurate and on track. Another great thing about this is that it gives you a much more granular look at your spending. Instead of a general shopping category, you can have clothing, home goods, and gifts. This level of detail helps you see exactly where your money is going, so you can make smarter financial decisions. And what if you need to get rid of a custom category? It's just as simple. Head back to the Categories and Rules section, tap on the category you want to delete, and hit Remove Category. Just like that, you can keep your budget clean and relevant. Customizing your budget categories in Rocket Money turns it from a generic financial tracker into a personalized map of your money. It helps you see the big picture and the small details, all while saving you time and keeping you accountable. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.